Did you know that in Florida, if you are more than 50% at fault for an accident, you have no case? March 24th of 2023, the governor implemented a law that kind of guts the personal injury system. What that law says is if you're more than 50% at fault for an accident, you cannot have a case. The old law, and the law that was always in effect, said if you are the person that's more than 50%, let's say 51%, you still could make a claim for your injuries and your medical expenses for the 49% that was not your fault. So now with this new law, you can't even collect the 49% that was not your fault. And you're gonna be on the hook for your own medical bills and probably getting a lawsuit from the other person and their bills. Because of this law, this is why I urge everybody to have a dash cam. You don't wanna have a situation where you're approaching that 50% mark and you are the one that's found 51%. Having that dash cam, if you did nothing wrong or if you're only partially at fault, it's gonna show that and potentially save your case, save you tons of money. My firm's giving away 500 dash cams by the end of this year. So if you want the chance to win one, follow the Dash Cam Lawyer.